Maytag Dishwasher Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Maytag dishwasher repair that consists of Maytag front-load dishwasher repair and Maytag top-load dishwasher repair, along with all other Maytag dishwasher models. If you are having problems with your Maytag dishwasher, such as the dishwasher doesn't clean, the dishwasher won't drain, the dishwasher buttons don't work, the dishwasher lights are flashing or blinking, the dishwasher's leaking, the dishwasher won't start, the dishwasher won't fill, the dishwasher's overflowing, the dishwasher won't dry dishes. Whatever the problem you're having, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.